In today's data-driven world, businesses require experts who can transform disparate data into game-changing insights. And that is where the Microsoft Certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate steps in. This certification is more than just a badge, it is a ticket to mastering lakehouses, semantic models, and data warehouses on an enterprise scale. And by passing the DP-600 exam, you will demonstrate your ability to use Microsoft Fabric for cutting-edge analytics, allowing you to pursue high-demand roles in business intelligence, data engineering, and cloud analytics. And if you're ready to shape the future of data, now is your chance. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content from Edureka. Also, check out Edureka's training and certification courses, the link to which is given in the description box below. The Microsoft Certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate certification validates expertise in designing, creating, and deploying enterprise-scale data analytics solutions using Microsoft Fabric. Professionals in this role transform data into reusable analytics assets, such as semantic models, data warehouses, and lakehouses. To earn this certification, you must pass the DP-600 exam. And now, the question is, who is a certified Microsoft Fabric professional? Well, a certified Microsoft Fabric professional is someone who has demonstrated proficiency with Microsoft Fabric. This is all-in-one data analytics platform combines data engineering, data science, real-time analytics, and business intelligence. Microsoft Fabric is intended to integrate data and AI capabilities from services such as Azure Data Factory, Synapse, and Power BI. But why become a Microsoft Fabric professional? First, due to its high demand and career growth for Microsoft Fabric professionals in India. So, the adoption of Microsoft Fabric is rapidly growing in India, driving demand for skilled professionals in data engineering, real-time analytics, and AI-powered BI. Companies across industries like IT, BFSI, retail, and healthcare are seeking experts who can implement Fabric's unified data platform for advanced analytics and decision-making. So, let's look at why there is a growing demand for Microsoft Fabric professionals in India. First is the growing adoption of AI and data analytics, where businesses are shifting to Fabric's lakehouse architecture for scalable AI-driven insights. Next is the Power BI and Azure integration. With India's strong Power BI and Azure job market, Fabric skills are natural extensions for career growth. And then is the shortage of skilled talent. Limited Fabric professionals mean higher salaries and better opportunities for early adopters. And the salary for a Microsoft Fabric professionals varies depending on experience, location, and industry. In India, the entry level, which is from 0 to 2 years of experience, earn an average of 10 lakhs per annum, whereas mid-level, from 3 to 5 years of experience, earn an average of 18 lakhs per annum, whereas senior level, 5+ years of experience, earn an average of 30+ lakhs per annum. But why is demand for Microsoft Fabric professionals rising in the United States? The United States job market is seeing rapid adoption of Microsoft Fabric as businesses shift to AI-driven analytics and cloud-first data strategies. With Fabric unifying Power BI, Synapse, and Data Factory, companies need skilled professionals to optimize data pipelines, enhance real-time analytics, and drive AI-powered insights. Now, let's look at why there is an increase in demand for Microsoft Fabric professionals in the United States. Due to its enterprise shift to unified data and AI. So, the tech giants, financial institutions, and healthcare firms are migrating to Fabric to streamline data management and AI analytics. AI-powered Copilot and Direct Lake architecture are making Fabric a preferred alternative to Snowflake, Databricks, and AWS Redshift. Next, the rising demand for real-time and big data analytics. Industries like e-commerce, fintech, and logistics requires a real-time data streaming and AI-driven decision-making, powered by Fabric's Custom query language and event streams. Cloud-native adoption in Fortune 500 companies is accelerating the need for Fabric expertise. The salary for a Microsoft Fabric professional varies depending on experience, location, and industry. And in the US, entry level from 0 to 2 years of experience earn an average of $31,727 per annum. And mid-level from 3 to 5 years of experience earn an average salary of $56,341 per annum. Senior level 5+ years of experience earn an average salary of $77,129 per annum. Now let us see what will you learn during the DP-600 exam. So the first section of the Microsoft Fabric certification exam accounts for 10 to 15% of the exam and is dedicated to the planning, implementation and management of data analytics solutions. Its primary objectives are to identify solution requirements, configure security, access control, data gateways and manage workspaces and capacities. Candidates must also understand Azure DevOps version control, which includes configuration options and deployment pipeline functionality. While only a small portion of the exam, these topics are critical for anyone interested in becoming a Fabric Analytics engineer. Next, the core section of the Microsoft Fabric certification exam, making up to 40 to 45% of the test, focuses on the data preparation and serving, a crucial skill for analytics engineers. Here, the candidates must understand lakehouse architecture, including creating tables, managing files, and using TSQL in warehouses. It also covers data integration from external sources, different transformation techniques using TSQL, Spark, and DAX, and performance optimization for queries and jobs. A strong understanding of TSQL and PySpark at an intermediate level is essential, along with the ability to monitor and improve performance for efficient data processing within Microsoft Fabric. Next, the model section accounts for 20 to 25% of the Microsoft Fabric certification exam. While implementing and managing semantics, it discusses storage modes, direct query, import, and direct link, including when and how to use them. Candidates should have a strong understanding of DAX, including DAX Studio and Tabular Editor too. This section also discusses data modeling concepts like star schemas, bridge tables, and managing many-to-many relationships. Furthermore, security is a top priority, necessitating knowledge of row-level security and object-level security, as well as methods for validating and enforcing security settings. Next, the final section of the Microsoft Fabric certification exam, worth 20 to 25%, focuses on exploring and analyzing data. While much of the role of an analytics engineer revolves around data engineering, this section emphasizes the analytics side, which is crucial for providing insights. It covers data analysis using TSQL, including querying lakehouse and data warehouse SQL endpoints. Additionally, candidates need to demonstrate expertise in data profiling and analyzing data via the XMLA endpoint. This section, like the rest of the exam, requires a broad skill set in TSQL, DAX, data modeling, and semantic model management. Alright, now let us go through the DP-600 exam details. The Microsoft Fabric certification exam consists of 40 to 60 questions, with scores ranging from 0 to 1000 and a passing score of 700 out of 1000. The questions are represented in a variety of formats, including multiple choice, case studies, which may contain multiple questions about the same scenario, drag and drop, and ordering list. It is recommended that you explore Microsoft Learn resources and practice with the exam sandbox to become familiar with these question types. The exam lasts 100 minutes but allows 120 minutes for preparation and setup. The exam can be taken online or in person at a test center. And the exam cost 4,865 rupees in India and $165 in the United States, with variations in other countries. The exam is available in the following languages: English, Japanese, Chinese, German, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. Now, let us see how to renew the DP-600 certification. So, are you aware that Microsoft role-based and specialty certifications expire unless they are renewed? So, learn the most recent technology updates for your job role and renew your certification for free by taking an online assessment on Microsoft Learn. So, if you have this certification and it will expire within the next 6 months, you can renew it. Passing the renewal assignments demonstrates that you have kept up with the most recent updates. You can also prepare for renewal by reviewing the curated collections of learning modules. This is a collection of learning modules designed to help you prepare for the Microsoft Certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate Renewal Assessment. First, administer Microsoft Fabric, use data factory pipelines in Microsoft Fabric, ingest data with data flows Gen 2 in Microsoft Fabric, then get started with real-time intelligence in Microsoft Fabric. Choose a Power BI model framework and optimize a model for performance in Power BI. Now let us have a look at the career benefits of becoming a Microsoft Fabric professional. So becoming a Microsoft Fabric professional put you at the forefront of data analytics and AI-driven business intelligence, making you highly sought after in industries like healthcare, finance, and retail. As organizations adapt lakehouse architecture and integrated data solutions, professionals skilled in Microsoft Fabric are in high demand. Certifications can lead to a higher paying roles, leadership opportunities, and career advancements in AI and data science, enhancing your employability in tech industry. So, who should pursue the Microsoft Certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate? Well, the Microsoft Certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate certification is suitable for data analyst and BI professionals, like those looking to enhance their skills in data modeling, visualizations, and analytics using Microsoft Fabric. Also, data engineers, professionals responsible for transforming, integrating, and optimizing data for analytics and reporting. Then, the business intelligence developers, individuals working with Power BI, semantic models, and enterprise-scale reporting solutions. Also, IT and cloud professionals, those seeking expertise in cloud-based data analytics, governance, and security. So this certification is ideal for anyone aiming to advance their career in data analytics and gain expertise in Microsoft Fabric's integrated analytics ecosystem. And many companies in various industries are actively looking for data analytics, business intelligence, data engineering, and IT cloud professionals. Some notable examples include Amazon, Netflix, Microsoft, Google, IBM, and Oracle. So earning the Microsoft Certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate certification sets you apart as a leader in data analytics and AI-driven BI. By passing the DP-600 exam, you gain the skills to build powerful enterprise-level analytics solutions, unlocking career opportunities with top tech firms and high-paying roles in the ever-evolving world of data. So with this, we have come to the end of this Microsoft Certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate video. If you enjoyed listening to this video, please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment on any doubts or queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Do look up for more videos and playlists and subscribe to the Edureka's YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you for watching and happy learning.